Pratik Anjay here, and again I'm going to show you an application that I have built on Streamlit. So this application is basically a AutoML application. AutoML the sense in automatic machine learning algorithms, where machine is going to perform different sort of algorithms, and it will also going to give you different results. For example, confusion matrix, model accuracy, cross validation, and also you can also predict on the new data sets. And in this application we are not going to write any sort of coding. Machine will do everything by its own. So let's start the demo. So here we have a section we call as upload input CSV file, and first I'm going to upload my input file. So this is my input file, and yeah, machine is reading that input file, and now you can see that some of the applications stuff has come on the front page. For example, show data input, pick your algorithm. So if I want to see the input data, I have to just tick this show input data thing, and it will show me the input variables. So yeah, this is the input data, and also this is not the exact raw file. Here it is displaying the variables or columns which we are going to use in the machine learning process. Like based on this algorithms we are building our machine learning algorithms. So again it will ask you which algorithm you want. So in the drop down you will find random forest and logistic regression. We can pick any. So first I'm going to pick random forest. Once I pick the algorithms, if you see here running, that now the machine is working in the back side and it is doing all sort of modeling stuff, and now you can see that the model accuracy has come, which is pretty good. It is giving 0.91. It means 91% my model is giving the accuracy. Again, if you see, there is a confusion matrix, there is a cross validation of the model. You will also see the ROC curve below. This is the ROC curve. And what is cross validation? In the cross validation, what model do, it picks for here example, it will pick 5 different samples and try to find out the accuracy on each of the samples, and we can see the accuracy for each one here. Again, for ROC, AUC is giving me 0.71, so anything above 0.70 is pretty good. And again, if you want to check for another algorithm, just we will go down, we will pick for the logistic regression, and logistic regression model will start working on the backside. So now we are seeing the accuracy is 0.91. You will see the confusion matrix, you will see the cross validation of the model, you will see the ROC curve. For this, the ROC curve is 0.676. For the last one it was 0.71. So this model is giving me good AUC curve. Even the accuracy is better over here. Now we have both the models, and if we want to run our model or we want to predict on the new data set, we have to just browse file here, and we have to just put our test data. Now the machine will work on this test data and try to predict on it. So here you will find the results. So this is the last column, which is showing prediction. We will find 0 and 1 over here. So basically this data is for the HR domain, where we are predicting whether an employee is going to get promotion or not, and it is getting predicted based on certain variables. For example, length of service, KPI met, awards won, previous year rating, and so on. So yeah, once the model has predicted, you can also visualize the predicted result. Just you have to take this out, and you will see the graph here over here. It means there are 2594 in the 0 category and 225 in the 1 category. So 1 means eligible for promotion, 0 means not eligible for promotion. So yeah, this is the way how this application works. So if somebody is not knowing any programming language and want to do